Hello everyone, it's Miss Griffiths again, and today we're going to be going through our 3D shapes again and seeing if we can spot them in our own homes. So the words we're going to be using today are cylinder, cone, cube, cuboid, sphere, pyramid, surface, vertices and edge. Now we will go through the meanings of some of these as the video goes on, and we'll see how many of them you can use. So start off by pausing this video and playing our 3D shape song on YouTube. Don't worry, I will still be here once you have watched it. Did you enjoy the song? Fantastic. Okay, the first thing I would like you to do with your adult or whoever you have in your house with you, maybe a brother or sister, is to look at all of the different shapes that I have on my screen and see if you can spot and tell the person you are with what shapes they are. Pause the video here and tell the person you're with. Have you done that? Brilliant. I'll quickly show some of the shapes that I spotted. Here, this blue one I could see was a cylinder. Over here, this nice green round one I know is a sphere. Over here, the red one, I could tell this was a cuboid. Did you manage to spot those shapes, or maybe some other ones? Brilliant. So like I said, today we are going to be going on a shape hunt all around our house. Now, we're going to see which shape we're going to be hunting for first. Oh, this is our first shape. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a cylinder. So, a cylinder has two flat circular faces and a curved surface. Right. I would like you to pause the video and go and see if you can find something that is a cylinder in your home. Off you go, I'll be waiting. Fantastic, have you managed to find a cylinder? Brilliant. I also went on a cylinder hunt around my home and I managed to find this here. It's my water bottle, and I can see it is just like the cylinder in the picture. It has two flat faces and a curved surface. So this is what I spotted. You may have spotted maybe a toilet roll, a bin, maybe you found a water bottle too, or a tin, or something else. Right, are you ready to see what our next shape that we're going to be spotting is? What is this shape? That's right, this is a cube. Now remember, the cubes have all of the faces the same. So see if you can pause the video and spot a cube in your house. I'll be waiting here. Fantastic! Have you spotted a cube in your house? Now, I also went on a cube hunt around my house and I managed to spot this here. This was a present that somebody gave me for Christmas. Now, I could tell it was a cube because all of the faces were square and they were the same. So this is my cube. You may have spotted a dice or a box in your house, or maybe a block that you have. But well done for spotting your cube. Right, let's see what our next shape that we are going to be hunting for is. What shape is that? Well done. This is a cuboid. Now, a cuboid does look similar to a cube, but it does have some very important differences. The faces of a cuboid can be different. Some may be rectangles, some may be squares, whereas in our cube they were all the same. They were all squares. So have a look if you can spot any of the cuboids in your home. Pause your video now and I will wait for you. Did you manage to spot some? Fantastic. I also went on a cuboid hunt and I managed to spot this here. This is the box which my biscuits have come in, and I can tell that this box is a cuboid because it has its rectangular face and its square faces as well, and I can see that they are different and not the same like my cube. So you might have spotted this, or maybe you spotted something else. Now, something that I did spot, which was far too big to pick up and show you all, was my fridge. So maybe you spotted something like that too. Or you could have spotted a sponge, maybe a matchstick box, another type of box which some food could have come in, or a block in your home. Right, are you ready to look for our next shape? Let's see what it is. What is it? Fantastic, it's a sphere. Now remember, a sphere looks like a ball and it has a curved surface the whole way around. I'll wait here while you pause the video and go and look for a sphere. Did you manage to spot one? Brilliant. Now, I have been going on my shape hunt and I managed to spot a sphere myself. Now, it looks like an orange, but actually this sphere is a squishy in the shape of an orange, but it is a sphere, and I can tell by the curved surface that goes the whole way around. Maybe you spotted a ball, a marble, a globe, or a type of fruit like an orange. You might have spotted something else entirely, but well done for spotting your sphere. Right, are you ready to look for your last shape? Let's see what shape we're searching for. What shape is it? That's right, it's a cone. This one might be a bit tricky, so don't worry if you can't spot it, but have a go and search around your house anyway. I will be waiting here. Are you back? Brilliant. Now, I will show you the cone that I managed to find in my house. This one took me the longest time to find, but eventually I managed to find this here, which is a lovely hat. Now, this hat I could tell was a cone because it has one pointy vertices at the top here, a curved surface, and a flat face in the circle shape at the bottom of it. So I knew this was a cone. Let's see the types of cones that you might have been able to see in your house. Maybe you found an ice cream cone or a hat just like mine. Could be a witch's hat, or if you've had a party recently, a party hat. Shapes really are all around us. Now, what I would like you to do is pause the video in a moment and explain to the person you are with how you could tell these 3D shapes. See if you can use our star words and really be able to describe these shapes to the person you are with. Have you done that? Fantastic. Now, if you would like to continue looking for shapes all around your home, you can do that, and maybe you could create little groups of all the different shapes. Once you have done this, don't forget to take a picture of all your shapes and send it to your teacher's email. Remember to write your name, your teacher's name, and the class that you are in the email so that we know who has sent us these brilliant shape pictures. Okay, that is our maths lesson for today. Good job at spotting all of those 3D shapes. I'll be looking forward to our maths lesson tomorrow. Goodbye.